This is Alfheim 19.6, one of the biggest glamping tents made by Nordisk. And today I'm unpacking it and setting it up for the very first time, be walking you through every step, sharing the mistakes that I made so you can avoid the same issues and get your tent standing perfectly the first time. First of all, let's take a look at how big this tent really is. There are two bags, one for the fly sheet and one for the ground sheet. And as you can see, they take up quite a bit of space in the car. Now, the first bag is the ground sheet, and this tailored zip-in floor for Alfheim 19.6 measures a full 5 meters across. And that's a massive circle you need to spread out, so you make sure you have plenty of open space before starting. And since it serves as the foundation for the entire setup, you definitely want it as flat as possible to avoid any lumps or wrinkles, or else you'll feel them later under your feet and they can complicate pitching the tent. The second bag holds the fly sheet, which is the main body of this tent. As you unroll it, you'll see everything is neatly packed inside, and you'll find a pouch for all the steel bags and another one for the center pole and even a small adhesive fabric patch for quick repairs. Before pegging the ground sheet, it's important to check the orientation so the door ends up facing the right direction. There are two zipper ends on the sheet and either of them can be used to attach the door. Take a moment to visualize where you want the entrance to be, because this will make the rest of the setup much easier. Be mindful of any rocks under the ground because they can easily damage the pegs. With the ground sheet pegged and ready, you can unfold the tent on top of it. Take your time here because this tent is huge, so it can feel a bit overwhelming at first. Start by finding the door section and aligning it with the zipper end on the ground sheet. From there, work your way around, spreading the canvas evenly and making sure it lays flat without any twists. Once the edges are perfectly aligned, checking that the zipper moves smoothly and doesn't catch on the fabric. Now for the center pole, you'll need to assemble the pole sections first. There is also an adjustable base for proper alignment and stability. Once the pole is assembled, locate the middle of the tent, and that's where the top of the pole needs to be inserted. Now, I put it together and tried to lift the tent, but it just wouldn't stand properly because pegging all the points earlier had locked the ground sheet in place, leaving no room for the tent to rise. And in the end, I had to unpeg a few points, zip it properly and then peg it all down again. Once the center pole is in place and tent is fully zipped to the ground, the final step is pegging the guy ropes, and this is where the tent really takes shape. The guy ropes not only keep the tent stable but also help maintain its perfect bell shape. And with that, the Alfheim 19.6 is fully set up, standing tall and ready for the proper glamping experience. It took some trial and error, but seeing this tent fully set up is totally satisfying. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.